If you want to maintain your privacy while watching Netflix, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Open Netflix and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage profile settings. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Click on the profile you want to adjust to manage its settings. Step 4. Adjust viewing activity. In the profile settings, look for viewing activity. Click on it to view your recent activity. Here, you can choose to hide specific titles from your viewing history. Step 5. Turn off activity sharing. To prevent others from seeing your activity, ensure that you do not share your account with others. You can also consider using a private browsing mode or incognito mode when watching Netflix. By following these steps, you can enjoy your Netflix experience without worrying about others seeing your viewing status.